Classroom learning is important, but nothing replaces seeing the scale and complexity of a solar power plant up close. By walking the site, talking with experienced technicians, and seeing operations in real time, our students connect what they're learning to the actual work they'll be doing. It also builds confidence. They can see for themselves out there in the field, and it shows them the opportunities that are waiting for them after graduation. We're connected with some of the largest renewable energy companies in the country, and they need trained technicians right now. Our graduates are stepping directly into careers that pay well, offer stability, and have long-term growth. This isn't just training for a job, it's training for a career in one of the fastest growing industries in the world.
So what I enjoy about what the Training Center of Central Texas has to offer is, first and foremost, the small class sizes. It gives you a chance to really do a deep dive with the instructors if you have a question. And to piggyback off of that, the instructors are very knowledgeable here at this Training Center of Central Texas. They have not already achieved their master's, they're in the process of taking their test and becoming a master electrician. And they have experience in multiple electrical fields of installation. It's not just residential electrician. It's residential, commercial, industrial. A couple of them already have experience in the solar field. So they are able to give relevant, real-world application examples of questions that you might have.
What really stood out to me was, on the solar plant tour, was how few maintenance technicians they had for such a vast, huge area dedicated, to the solar farms. They had just a small handful, like less than half a dozen technicians that maintained this, 1,200 acre solar farm. And that really it surprised me and kind of excited me at the same time. When we went to the solar tour, just being out there in nature, you're out there in the middle of nowhere. It was so quiet and serene, and just that idea of working just with a small number of other hand-picked trained technicians that have the same, passion for it as I do, it sounds really intriguing. It sounded definitely like something I could see myself doing and want to do.
The way that we're helping it to lead this charge is that we've linked up with the largest manufacturers in the world in solar. And we're the only school that offers these high-level certifications in the United States. And these are the ones that they're working on right now. When you look out in this field, those inverters out there, these are the exact same certifications that we're offering our students, both for the inverters and for our battery systems coming up. And this is the future.
Where I see myself after this training for renewable energy is I either see myself as a solar maintenance technician working in the field and becoming a leader of some sort into management, or continue my electrician career and working towards my journeyman license.
My name's Sean. I'm the Technical Innovations and AI Workflow Manager at the Training Center of Central Texas. I think the biggest opportunity for the students that are going to be joining the inaugural Solar Maintenance Technician program is the ability to get hands-on experience and not just learn about the theory behind photovoltaic systems and the solar industry and how electricity works, but just seeing and working with the solar technology and equipment that is used in the field right now.
My passion is watching our students step into the solar field and realize this is their future. These are some of the highest paying jobs in clean energy, and veterans can use their education benefits to get there. One student came back to my office and said, "Miss Bianca, not 6 months, 6 figures, 3 months, 6 figures, right here in front of you." That was the day he landed his job. Nothing makes me happier than seeing our students win.